Hi, welcome to Whole Food Hippie Cooking. I'm Soren, and I'm going to be showing you a bunch of recipes that have really spiced up my meal plans ever since we went with a whole food plant-based lifestyle. I went from 230 pounds, and right now I'm weighing around between 175, 177, and it really fluctuates, but if I just get out more, I'll probably a little bit down to my favorite ideal weight of 160. Anyways, the recipe I'm going to be showing you today is my spicy red sauce. It's a nice condiment. It goes with a bunch of different items that I use it for. It goes on to my wife's fried rice, our wraps that we make. Also, when I make my mini fake meatballs, those are delicious with the red sauce as well. It's very versatile. Give it a shot. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, like it. If you don't, then don't, I guess. But throw in a comment for some criticism so I can maybe do better next time, because I'm completely new at this. This is my second video, and it's the first time I'm standing here in front of the camera. So any advice, any questions, feel free. Enjoy. Spicy red sauce is all done. Got a bit in here. I'm just gonna give it a little taste test, take the cap off, and see how it turns out. Starts off cold and sweet. That spice kicks in there then. It's one of my favorite ways of doing spices. Slow, gradual blend of medley. Just perfect. Starts off sweet, kicks up a little bit. A nice little burn. Oh, little spice burn at the very end. Just a mild one. Woo. Oh, a little tickle in the throat too. One of my favorite ways to pair spicy with red sauce. Anyways, you can go hotter, you can go less hot, you can go not hot at all. You don't have to put the chilies in. I like it because, like I said, it adds that little bit oomph to the entire recipe. And it's a great condiment for so many diverse things. If you put ketchup on it or you put barbecue sauce on it, you can probably put red sauce on it. Anyways, have a great day. Hope you enjoy the recipe, and like or put a comment down. Cheers.